Good morning, little babies. What's going on in here? Hey. Oh, Louise's little pups. Nice and cool back here. We're going to be getting a heat wave, so this is great. Nice and cool. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's still 7 babies in here. Nobody's moved out or anything. Can you guys hear me already? I didn't even think that your ears would be open yet. Can you hear me? Oh, you're silly. It's very silly. Sis, is that my mommy? Oh, you guys are already talking. Wow, he's already talking. Very cute. It's good babies. I have to get Wheezy back in here and feed these little babies.